Team, we have an emergency. A fire broke out in the engine room. It's now under control, but one crew member sustained severe burns and lost consciousness from smoke inhalation. Officer Leia confirmed that all firefighting measures are complete and that there is no further risk.
Yes, Captain. The fire has been extinguished using carbon dioxide. All hot spots have been cooled down. No signs of reignition. The affected area is secure and ventilated.
Chief Engineer Bragado, I need a status report on the engine room's condition.
Captain, the engine and ventilation system are still operational, but we may need to temporarily shut down the auxiliary system for detailed inspection and repairs.
I am about to establish communication with our short emergency response center to seek medical assistance for our injured crew member. Short emergency response. This is the master of MV Nicole. We've encountered an engine room fire. The fire is now contained. However, one crew member sustained severe burns and is unconscious due to smoke inhalation. We are requesting immediate medical guidance and support.
This is your response. We copy your message. Can you provide more details in the injury and the hit status?
The crew member is unresponsive, but first aid was administered. Oxygen is being provided. Situation is critical. The ship remains stable, though engine inspection is ongoing.
Understood. Is the injured crew member responsive now? Do you have a doctor on board?
No doctor on board. The injured crew remains unconscious but is breathing. We're continuing oxygen therapy. We request advice for next steps and possible emergency evacuation.
Maintain oxygen flow. Keep the injured person in a cool, monitored environment. Check vital signs every 10 minutes. We'll consult medical authorities and arrange emergency airlift if needed. Report back every 15 minutes.
Copy that. We'll proceed accordingly and wait further instructions. Communication has been established. We are following medical protocol as advised. All updates will be logged accordingly.